Pamela Kulback at K2 Restorative Med Spa, and I have a beautiful patient here who has a mommy tummy. And a mommy tummy is after we've had pregnancies and babies, we get a lot of loosey-goosey areas here and that need tightening. Some women prefer to go get a tummy tuck. One of the problems with the tummy tuck is you do have a pretty significant scar across here. Your abdomen is pretty board-like, and she just would prefer something that's a little bit more natural looking and a little bit softer. So what we're doing today is we're using my brand new radio frequency microneedling device, and this is how it works. We have numbed up her skin, and this is a pretty simple procedure. It's not painful. Very easily tolerated. I'm delivering radio frequency needles into the dermis and the epidermis, depending on the layer that I'm at. I can precisely deliver this to each layer of the skin and deliver radio frequency heat, which stimulates tightening, produces elasticity, and so we're going to tighten her skin. And then we're going to come back after that, and we're probably going to use my radio frequency, we're probably going to use after the radio frequency my PDO threads, and then just lift and tighten to give her the result that she wants. So if you have some laxity in your stomach and would like to have some tightening, this is a great option for you. Give us a call at 205-255-1232. We'd be very happy to see you.